Okay, well, this is an exciting day because look what I got here. Just arrived from Germany. So, I mean, this is just, I'm just gonna see what's in there. I'm not ready for it yet because I don't have the heads, but this is my first look at this, and just gonna see if it said it was in customs for like the last week. So now, let's at least take a look at it. This would be 42 millimeter Python with 42 millimeter heater boxes. So I'm just gonna see what is in here. Put this camera up here and just take a little look at this. What is this? Let's see. This looks like the heater boxes. Let's see what I've got here. So, these look like interesting gaskets here, copper, very good. Then, let's just take a look at what one heater box looks like. This is supposedly a 42 millimeter performance heater box from CSP. Let's take a look there. Let's see that. Oh yeah, look at that. They've got a very matte looking paint job on this, but look at that. It's got Alright. Oh, it says CSP actually on the heater boxes, so but yeah, that looks good. It doesn't have flanges on the on there, so you know you have to use the those little donuts. Let's just take a look at. Whoops, sorry camera. Let's look at what else is in this box. Looks like two other boxes here. Let's see if the camera is still on it. Yes. So that was a heater box. Let's see what this looks like. So this looks like the hideaway muffler. Let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, this looks good. Look at that flange. So that's what that looks like. Look at the flange on that thing. That looks pretty sweet there. So this tucks up under the right side of the bus like this. So that will come off. That looks good. There's a gasket set. Looks like that goes on the big flange there. And the attachment to the attaches, I guess, to where the heater box is. And now, let's see what the Sidewinder header itself looks like here. And if I get my heads from Tim's in the next, probably in 1 week, I should have everything I need to finish up the whole motor pretty quickly. Alright. This looks like. Okay, we've got some heater tubes that maybe connects. Oh, I see. That's to connect the heater box to the underside, probably of the engine tin. So with some clamps. That's good. I didn't know they included that. Got a big CSP catalog. And let's check out this header. Looks like it's a couple of pieces here. Documents. And the header. It's like this here. Yeah, so it looks like 2 of them are welded. 2 of them seem to be adjustable a little bit. So this is going to go in here somehow. And I'll have to see how that actually fits on there, but looks like it's gonna. This has to go like this. It looks like. How does that work? Does that go through there? Yeah, it looks like that goes through there. Clever. So this header looks like it's gonna. Yeah, so you just put that in there. I don't know if you need some kind of sealant on this or what, but the header basically looks like this. These will connect to the heater tubes. These will connect to the front side, 2 and 4. So anyway, that looks great. All right, it's all ready for the assembly. As soon as I get the headers, there's one more thing here, which is that looks like the clamps for the heater tubes, or sorry, heater boxes to clamp onto there, along with some gaskets. Okay, well that's my CSP arrival, so that's great. So that's what there is.